Alright, so time for another product review. So today I'm going to be doing the Hydrating Spa Fluid by Biosthétique. So I love this treatment because this is designed for long hair, okay? It can be used on people who don't have long hair, but you know, anything from shoulders downwards. So this is actually a leave-in treatment mask. So with normal masks, we usually rinse them out in the shower, but this one we're purposely going to leave it in. It won't weigh your hair down, so don't be worried about that. But it's full of hyaluronic acid, and also it has the ability to give your hair 41% more moisture, softness, and up to 45% more shine. So who doesn't want that, really? Now, I would say that's one pump. That would be probably, I might just do 1.5 for my hair, I think. Rub it between your hands. So this is after you've gotten out of the shower too. So you've done your shampoo, your conditioner, towel dried your hair, and we're preparing our hair for blow dry or style. So just working that through mid-lengths and ends. Anything that's left over, that's when I go through and just rub it through my top. Just roughly doing that. Not getting too close to my roots at all, but I'm moisturizing those highlights that I do have around my face. And then I'm just going in and brushing my hair. I can already feel how much softer my hair feels from this. And it's one of those products that will just keep getting better and better with your hair. It obviously works much better as well if you're really consistent with this, and also if you're using the whole Shadow Longs range. And that is also featured on our website. So we have a pack made up which basically has all the ingredients and the products that you need to give your hair the best looking hair when it's long. So that's that. Blow dry style as you need, and you're just gonna feel a difference, I promise you.